What's up, everybody? It's your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devrell Davis. We're doing an unboxing today, okay? Pretty much everybody knows already I'm a fan of JLabs audio. I made two purchases from them in the past. One was the Go Ears, which is these right here, the buds, and the ones in blue. And the other one was the J Bud Ears, which is pretty much almost a year old. I was pretty satisfied with the purchase, the two purchases I made. But when I purchased the Go Ears, that was my top video. I had over 5,000 views, and I want to thank you all for that. And looking to have a lot more views with this one too. So the two purchases I made in the past, pretty awesome. Not mad at them at all. So I went ahead and made another purchase. This time I bought the the Talk Go USB mic in black. It was $49 it retails for. And I also went ahead and bought some more headphones. I bought the Studio Pro wireless over ear. They're also in black. I wanted the multicolored one, but they sold out of that, so I had to settle for the all black one, and it retails for $40. I mean, great price. Let's see how the product is. We're going to unbox it right now. No more of me talking. Let's see how it is. All right, so we're going to, as you can see, the box says JLab, so it came straight from the JLab company. This is not from Amazon. Don't worry about the background noise. That's just my girl cooking in the back. Making some nice food. What are we making tonight?
Beef ribs or rice and beans.
Alright, awesome. Alright, so let's see. I'm going to take it out the box. Oh, and because the purchase was over $50, I also got blessed with some metal earbuds, okay? Pretty much not going to use that, but here's the studio headphones right here. And it seems pretty light. And here's the microphone right here. Okay. This is the third item. It's the metal earbuds. So I'll just give this away to somebody that needs earbuds. Pretty much wasn't something that I purchased myself. I want to take a look at the receipt real quick to make sure everything was correct, and it is. All right, cool. So we're gonna go to the unboxing. Let's go with the headphones first because I'm very amped about the headphones. Here they are right here, the Studio Pros. I'm rocking right now the Bose headphones, which is they're a little old. These are about 5 years old. I normally rock them when I'm doing my podcast or any type of video, but we got this here. I'm gonna try these studio headphones right here. So let's open it up and see what we got here. All right. So as you can see, this is a normal. I'm a savage. I'm just gonna rip it open. This is the normal blue color that the JLabs like to put their products in, so I'm pretty much accustomed to it in blue. All right, so what we got here? Oh, and that's my guest host, bro, the dog. It's okay. We got a whole mess going on in here. So this is the box is empty. Boom, we're throwing that away. This is the instructions right here. We're gonna put that to the side because we don't use instructions. We just try to figure out things on our own, right? So we have it in here, encased in here. And I guess we can just take the stuff out, see what it comes with. All right. So these are wireless. So it comes with a USB charging port. This is actually a C port right here, so that's pretty awesome. All right. So I could probably right here look. All right, they look sturdy. They seem sturdy. I mean, for it being as light as it is, they seem sturdy. I'm gonna put it on my head. So it snaps. That's awesome. Okay. So if you know my last video I did on overhead headphones, it was a skull candy and how disappointed I was with the durability. Already by just holding this in my hand, this feels way more durable than the skull candies Hesh 3 that I had before, and I was very disappointed in the Hesh 3 because the sound is awesome. The bass was just right enough, but as far as the quality and durability, it totally sucked. Now, just putting this on my head right here, as you can see, fits snug, it fits comfortably, it locks in. I feel like I could pretty much work out with this on. I couldn't do that with the Hesh 3s because of the durability issue. But with this, it feels like it's not going nowhere. I'm shaking my head. It feels awesome. But I'm going to use this a little bit more as a studio headphone for my podcast and for YouTube videos. I'll give you a more closer look at it. If you look inside, it's the blue inside, so it's kind of nice. The cushions are very soft right here. We have a few buttons on the side for it's a rocker, it's a plus and a minus, of course, to make it louder. This is probably an on and off button right here. But we're going to take a look at it. I'm going to do a review video on it after I use this a few times and see how it goes and see how it feels as far as and see the sound quality and everything else to let you know if this is the right purchase you should make if you're looking to make a purchase. But how could you go wrong with $40? All right. So we're going to put this to the side and we're going to go to the microphone right here. All right. So this is a little bit heavier. And I'm going to use this to replace my snowball when it comes down to the podcast. Alright, so we're going to bust this open too. And we're going to pull this one out. This one's the all black one, so we're going to open it up right here. Okay, awesome. So let me show you this. This looks like a small Alexa. And I wonder if Alexa heard me. Alright, so I'm going to take this out. The cushion is really nice, soft and cushioned. This is the base for it. The base is kind of feels sturdy. It feels premium. Alright, so it comes out right here. We also have the joint that you put on it. Build this up, see how it looks real quick. And it has a JLab sign on the side. So if you're a JLab fan like me, and they're up and coming company, and to me, I think they're for the lower price that they sell their products for, you do get some diamonds in the rough as far as quality products. And I'm gonna put this next to my snowball so you can see the size difference. Okay, awesome. All right. So this is a snowball here. As you can see, and there's a little size difference right here. And the snowball was roughly around the same price that I paid for this one, maybe a little bit more than the JLabs. But this looks sleek and it looks nice and sexy. It looks very portable. Like if you do podcasts in different places, if you move and travel a lot and you want to do a podcast in a place, this is not hard to carry. All right, so let's see what else it has in here. It has a USB cord. I'm gonna keep this box because if I need to travel with it, it does have a nice sturdy styrofoam inside part. Let's see what we have here. Alright, so it comes with connecting cable and a charger. So this is actually a C port also, so it connects in the bottom. So in the bottom, like I said, I'm gonna do a review because it looks like it has you could change the volume. You could put a headphone jack in here. So I'm going to go ahead and review these things so you can see it and understand how it plays and what type of purchase you're making. Once again, for $49, if it plays real well, if the quality is real good, you made a steal with that purchase. So this was just a quick unboxing real quick, and I'm going to let you go from here. Be prepared and look out for that review video that's going to be coming out soon. I'm going to give it a week or two, see how this plays out and see how I like it. Easy purchases right here, nice purchases, real simple. We got the studio headphones and we also got the Go Talk microphone. All together I paid $88 for everything, $49 here, $40 here, excuse me, $89 altogether. So not too bad of a purchase, not too hard of a purchase. If this helped you make your purchase and help you make a decision, by all means, look out for a review. I'm going to help you a little bit more in the future, okay? I'm your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devrel Davis. Thank you for watching, and stay safe. Peace.